Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second PSYCH Symposium held at this awe-inspiring venue, the British Museum. My name is Rivki Stern. I'm CEO and co-founder of Shortwave Pharma, a biopharmaceutical company developing combination drugs paired with drug delivery systems to address and treat mental ill health. I'd like to share with you, that's me. I'd like to share with you my amazement every time that I visit the UK or Europe, and I'm always, I observe the duality, even the contradiction, the coexistence of old and new. For example, this building the very building we're in is steeped in history and tradition, but when you look outside, you see cutting-edge architecture, art, design, and technological advancements, scientific breakthroughs that emanate from the so-called old country. And I believe that this unique combination of tradition and innovation that is so characteristic of the UK and of Europe also defines our industry today. On the one hand, the field of psychedelics is groundbreaking, with new applications of therapies, reintroduced substances, new molecules, combination drugs, delivery systems, protocols of therapy, and all an IP that is boldly applied to this growing areas and more and more indications in the realm of mental health care and beyond. On the other hand, none of this can take place without adhering to a very strict and traditional regimen and rigorous process of scientific exploration and drug development standards and processes. This rigorous adherence is critical for the psychedelic sector that is focused on drug development and biotechnology in order to gain credibility and traverse the regulatory hurdles that are plenty on the way to commercialization. And it's on the way. It's on the way. We've seen more studies, more later phase studies taking place, conducted by companies and institutions. We see governments that are open to redefining psychedelics as medicine rather than drug. The FDA just issued guidelines for clinical research in psychedelics, and perhaps even the interest of pharma is piqued. As we founded Shortwave, we founded it on those two pillars of tradition and innovation. Our mission is to apply the incredible potential of psychedelics in the field of eating disorders. And our first program is for anorexia nervosa, which is a life-endangering disease with no approved FDA medication. Our innovation lies in our development of a psilocybin-based combination drug and a mucoadhesive buccal film delivery that is successfully developed and specifically designed to address the unique needs of anorexia patients. But the path to get there has to be, again, very traditional, led by my partners, Dr. Nadia Lisovoder, who is an expert drug developer and clinical researcher, and Dr. Nadav Shalit, who is our chief psychiatrist. We, again, have to adhere to the most rigorous preclinical and clinical study standards, processes, and regulatory work. It's long, it's expensive, it's painstaking, but it's the only way. I'd like to thank PSYCH for believing in our way and for hosting this event today. And I wish us all an illuminating, thought-provoking, productive, and fun symposium. Thank you.